stew. Kerala fish molly or Kerala style fish stew is classy gravy which is famous among Kerala's Syrian Christians. It is made by marinating the fish in a masala and frying it next. The fried fish is cooked in coconut milk with very low spice and other ingredients. Just to describe this gravy in a little more details, it is rich and a bit creamy, not only because of the fish juices but also due to the thick coconut milk. Please check the notes section given below to make the gravy as thick as you like. It is really so delicious. You will be thankful that there is decent amount of gravy, as it is perfect for mopping up with appam, chapati, patiri or spooning over steamed rice or puttu. Kerala fish mean molly. Kerala style fish stew is the classy yet easy fish recipe you have been waiting for. Preparing time 10 minutes, cook time 20 minutes, total time 30 minutes. Ingredients: onion 2 sliced, tomato 1 sliced, ginger 2 tablespoon chopped, garlic 2 tablespoon chopped, green chilli 3 slits, curry leaves 2 sprigs, turmeric powder half tablespoon, pepper powder half tablespoon, coconut oil 2 tablespoon, salt to taste. Coconut milk, coconut 1 cup shredded, water half cup for thick milk, water 2 cup for thin milk. To marinate fish, I used salmon fish 1 IB 100 gram. You can check the note section given below for alternate fishes. Turmeric powder half tablespoon, black pepper powder 1 tablespoon, lemon juice 1.5 tablespoon, salt to taste. To temper: mustard seeds half tablespoon, cardamom seeds 4, clove 4, cinnamon stick 1 small piece, bay leaf 1. In a bowl, add all the ingredients under to marinate fish except fish. Mix it well into a paste. Add the fish and rub the masala paste on it. Before adding the fish, make sure the fish is cleaned in salt water and pat dry it. Keep it aside for 30 minutes to marinate. Meanwhile, in blender, add 1 cup of shredded coconut. Add half cup of water. Before adding water, check note section to make perfect coconut milk. Grind it well. Then using sieve pour the coconut mixture. Hand squeeze the coconut mixture coat in the sieve to extract the thick coconut milk and keep it aside. Using the same coconut milk, add 2 cup of water and grind it until thick and creamy. Again squeeze the coconut to extract thin coconut milk, second milk, and keep it aside. Add coconut oil in a pan. Rotate the pan and evenly spread the oil on all sides of the pan. Once the oil is hot enough, add the marinated fish. Fry both sides of the fish until turn light brown. Transfer it to a paper bowl, remove excess oil and keep it aside. In the same oil in which we fried the fish, add the items given under to temper. Add onion and salt. Saute it for a minute. Add green chili, ginger and garlic. Salt it till it becomes translucent. Add turmeric and pepper powder. Mix it well. Add curry leaf, salt and mix it well. Add then coconut milk and mix it well. Allow it to be boiled. Once it starts to boil, add the fried fish. If you want the gravy to be thicker, check the 4th and 15th step in notes before adding the fish. Add the tomato and spread it evenly. Then close it with a lid and allow it to cook for 10 minutes over medium flame. Once it is cooked, add the thick coconut milk. First coconut milk. Mix it carefully without breaking the fish. You can also rotate and shake the pan carefully to mix the coconut milk evenly. Again allow to boil for 3 minutes. Kerala fish or meen moli or Kerala fish stew is ready. Serve with appam, chapati, pattiri or puttu. Notes: before marinating the fish, clean the fish in water by adding salt to remove the strong fishly smell. You can use oil of your choice, but using coconut oil will give the gravy Kerala touch. Here I have used salmon fish. You can also use kingfish, pale spot fish or pomfret fish.